You ever find yourself in the mood for something sweet, a treat, but you really want it to be healthy too, so you don't have to feel too guilty? We have the place for you in Scottsdale North. Come on in. Hey gang, today I want to get you to know Nancy at Cherry on Top and the Summit. If you haven't been here, you need to be, but I want to just have you get a sense of who Nancy is and what this place is to the community. You know, what's funny for me is I was introduced to this place through my daughter, Shelby, and honestly, her thing when she was little, she loved ice cream, and I would say to her, Shelby, what's your first favorite food? Ice cream. What's your second favorite food? Ice cream. What's your third favorite food? Ice cream. And she's the one that introduced me to this. And I said, I don't like yogurt. We're not going there. And she goes, no, it's not like that. And it's not.
And
this is
not.
Like ice cream.
Yeah.
It really is.
It is.
In fact, what is the difference between ice cream and yogurt?
Well, ice cream is made with cream and sugar, and we all remember doing the old churning, you know, with the rock salt and all of that. Yogurt is actually a yogurt product. It is real yogurt, which is fat-free, and it has probiotics in it. So even though ice cream and yogurt are similar in the frozen treat aspect, yogurt has more of a health benefit to it in that you get active cultures because the probiotic in our product is added after pasteurization, so it's actually an active culture in the product. So it's healthier and it's a little easier on our waistlines because it's fat-free.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and then we also offer a dairy-free option for our folks that can't have cream or dairy in their diet, so that when they come in, they can enjoy something with their family and not have to worry about having the dairy.
Yeah.
So we always offer a sorbet option. Our flavors are we have 2 per machine. And then if any of the machines, if you wanted to pull the middle handle, you'd get a mixture, a twist of the 2 flavors together. Options are pretty endless. I have 72 different toppings in the store. These are all candies, cookies. We have a lot of fruits.
I heard that you cut the fruit every day. It's
Yes.
all fresh.
Yes, so I always say if it doesn't look like something I'd want to eat, it doesn't go out on the toppings bar. So that's our motto here. So we look every day and make sure that everything looks lovely and ready and appetizing, to put on your yogurt.
Well, I hope that convinces you that there's something here you're really going to enjoy and it's going to be healthier for you. But something else I'd like to kind of mention is, the purpose of connecting Scottsdale North is to build community, to help people that live here to get to know the local businesses and use them, because that really does add to the community. Well, in this case, what I most consistently hear about Cherry and Top, everybody loves the food, but what I hear is the way you guys embrace the community. In fact, I noticed here you got some teams here, sports teams, and over here,
Cheerleaders, yeah.
cheerleaders there, and then over here's a wall where it looks like a bunch of kids send you cards.
Yeah, so we try to do fundraising activities with the schools, the churches. We encourage them to get as many people as they can together, come in, have yogurt, and then I get to send them a check and say, here's a percentage of your sales for the day or the evening. And so I get these cards from the kids, and they're fun because the kids write them and they draw pictures, and I have to display them because when they come in, they're looking for their artwork.
What about the daddy-daughter dances? This is kind of popular, huh?
Yeah, so in February, we get, as probably 2 or 3 or 4 of our busiest evenings of the year, the daddy-daughter dances with the elementary schools. And after the dance, they come in for to have a treat. They're so adorable. They come in all dressed up with their dads with their corsages on, and it's like the home run for the dads. It's always a good time, but we try to contribute back to the schools on those nights. If I know what schools are showing up, then we do a percentage night with them as well. So it's a lot of fun.
That's it. Do you hear the community? Really, really, really. This is all about community, and that's the purpose of this video, is help these guys be a part of your community too. Come on up here and try this. You're going to like it. They contribute back to our community. Everybody wins. Nancy, thanks for taking the time.
Absolutely. Thank you, Scott. Take care.